Welcome to Easy English Bookshelf. Thanks for joining us today. You will enhance your vocabulary by listening then speaking, with this fun story to keep you entertained while practicing and learning. Let's get started. At the end of their day, Shane and Sandy marveled. At the delicate snowflakes. Their friendship deepening. Amid the beauty of nature. They built forts together. Creating a snowy refuge. That became their secret hideaway. Even the family dog Philip came outside to play. In the snow fort. As the sun dipped. Below the horizon, casting a warm glow. On the winter landscape, Shane and Sandy, along with their friends, gathered to bid farewell. To the magical snow day. Tired but happy, they exchanged smiles. Grateful for the shared adventures that had filled their hearts. The town nestled under a starry sky. Shane and Sandy drifted. Off to sleep. Dreams filled with more. Snowy escapades. Dancing in their heads. The magic of It's a snow day had not only transformed the town into a winter wonderland, but had also etched a tale of enduring, friendship, laughter, and the beauty of a day spent with those who make it truly special. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for another fun lesson. See you tomorrow!